Hello everyone, my name is Ngân. Today I would like to talk about Green Summer. We are Ngân, Phương and Sunny. First, there are some activities to make our summer greener. We can plant trees, pick up rubbish, clean streets, help our people and teach children.
Hello, my name is May. I would like to some benefits of green summer. Firstly, it can make new friends. It's my circle, network friendly. And second, it help me. Secondly, it help me improve mm, my soft skill to line communication. And this is this is way I can make for things some communications. This many is too many things for your community. I this many make welcome more meaningful. Hello everyone, my name is Me. Then we can plant tree at the park and at the school. We can visit up church, plant trees in the village and on the beach. I feel happy, excited, and proud to join in summer because I can do something useful for my life.